Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I haven't done a video. I've been really focusing on TikTok. I'm put my TikTok handle down below. Feel free to follow me on TikTok as well. I post a lot of things about luxury items, especially Louis Vuitton. So I've been really focusing on that. I'm gonna start posting more videos again because I've purchased a bunch of things that I haven't made videos on, and I just want to do a quick little video today, per usual, on a pocket organizer that just came out. Let's get started. This is gonna be a really simple video. I just want to show you guys in person. So here's the box, and I don't know where the dust bag went, so this is the multicolor pocket organizer that just came out. Let's have it focus. And I think this is perfect lighting for you to get a really good representation of what it looked like, because, you know, there's a bunch of color on it. It honestly reminds me of like the broken TV screens back then when you were a child and you're watching TV, or like the cable would go out and it's all pixelated. This honestly looks like that. But I think it's so cool. There's a bunch of colors on it, but it is your standard pocket organizer. Has the usual slots in there. This was the model number, the SKU number is N60432. It is made out of canvas. There's nothing like crazy on it, no like leather or anything like that. So just wanted to give you a close-up video. Let's do it this way. So this is the multicolor pocket organizer if you were thinking about purchasing. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll be posting more videos. Okay, bye.